So, guys, you wanna go to the movies later on? Oh, I really don't know, cause I have a math class. Hello, after school I'm talking about. Oh, sure. Oh, I would love to go. You would? Yeah, I've been to plenty of movies with my friends. Who's up for it? My hands? Hello? Hands up here. Wait, I don't see. You're saying that because we're dwarfs, right? Oh. You guys have your hands up. Sure we do. Are you sure you see it? Because, we're not idiots. Yeah, we're not idiots. Yeah. She thinks we're idiots. Doesn't matter. I'm really doing something with my parents. It's kind of a family thing. What goth does a family thing with their family? No goth. Exactly. So you coming with me? Oh, God. You don't know me, do you? No. I'm new to the school. Hello. What is your name, really? Velvet. Hello. Oh, yeah, I forgot. So, I'm coming. Me too. Me 3. Me 4. Me 5. Me 6 and me 7. Alright. So I have 7 girls with 1 boy. Well, yeah, you're the only boyfriend we have. Yeah, we're not talking about boyfriends, that's kissing and stuff. We're just talking about, like, actually, you're the only boy that's been nice to us. Because all the other boys, they're jocks. So I'm a jock too, what are you trying to say? You trying to say anything? Oh, you mean those guys. Those guys are real jocks. I'm just playing with the Sigmas. Hello. I'm blonde. I hate Sigmas. Yeah, but I'm a blackhead. And I love Sigmas. Yeah, and... But anyways. So we're gonna go? Sure, what movie theater? How about we go to the Cambridge movie theaters? That one? That one's too messy. Oh yeah, 'cause someone with hot dogs and nachos and soda everywhere. And that was diet soda too. Yeah, and you know how diet soda smells. It smells way bad. Yeah. So let's go to the Braintree. Braintree doesn't have, or does it? Yeah, it has a little one. Yeah, let's not go there. Downtown? No, I'm gonna go somewhere far away. California. What? California? Yeah, they have the best movie theater. it serves you some fruit cocktail. It does. I hate fruit cocktail. You don't have to eat it. So shrimp cocktail. Yeah, that sounds like a good one. How about we all ask our parents? Ask? I think they're coming with us. No, they're not. They're just gonna ruin everything if they come over. Yeah, alright. I'll ask. Why are your hands still up? Oh, you don't know. Yeah. So, are you going? I'm not going all the way to Cali. Sorry, but we all have to. How about we make it... Actually, how about we make it a dare? What? Without asking my parents. I can do that. I don't need permission from my little protective parent. Okay. So your information. Yes, Eve. For your information, I'm not doing that. Why? Because I'm not. Sorry guys, but I have to go to the bathroom because this is really freaking me out. So, okay. That was awkward. But, I think she's gonna come. Well, she really is gonna come. Yeah, we're gonna make her. We have to make her. Yeah, we have to make her. You guys, I can hear you all the way from the bathroom. And I'm really not gonna do it. Why? It's gonna be fun. No, it isn't. I need it. It's not. If you guys are really gonna do this, then I'm out of it because what if we get in danger? Oh, I'll protect you guys. Yeah? Yeah. Oh, no you won't. Honestly, yeah, we will. Can you switch shoes, please? Why? Because your shoes are so awesome. Fine. Okay, are these comfortable? Yeah, it is. It's fun. Oh yeah, it does. It's really comfortable. Ooh, these are comfortable. No, they're not. They hurt your feet. No, they don't. They don't hurt your feet. Whatever. Okay. So, I'm not gonna do it just because you guys are making me. I'm not making you. Yeah. Okay, how about this? Why don't you guys just